how to turn on kids mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, open quick setting panel. So just swipe down. Now here, so click on this pen icon. Now here, so click on edit. So after click on edit, scroll down and you will see kid mode is here. So click on kid mode and click on done. And again click on done. You will see kid mode is add on quick setting panel. So if you want to turn on quick setting kid mode, so click on kid mode and click on allow. So you will see kid mode is on. So you will see my phone is here. So my camera is here. My gallery is here. So if you want to install games from here, so you will use kid mode from here. So after the process, go back to home screen. Enter phone pin and click on continue. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on kid mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.